Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today I'm doing a little bit of a review thing for getting ready for the next year. So today I have the 2024 Dreamy Moons Year of Growth Diary. Now this is a very thick little book to journal, diary, get your thoughts out of your head, into here, and help you develop yourself. So as we take a look at the book, we come in, we can see beautifully illustrated, you got your gold binding and everything else as well. Let's take a look at the actual opening and unboxing of it. Okay, so we have our Dreamy Moons little package. Got some writing and little details that I absolutely love on just about every side, so even on the back here. Some things to remember. You got a vine. Open your heart and keep it open. There's so much to be grateful for. Nurture your inner child. That rest is important. Embrace the mystery and that you can make anything happen. And a beautiful little image on the front there. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. There we got a nice little Dreamy Moons logo on a nice little slip of paper, and there is something on the back. So through this purchase you're supporting the restoration of a small artist with big dreams. Hope what I've created brings love, positive energy to your space. Let it inspire you to fearlessly express yourself in your own way and see the beauty in everything you encounter. Reforestation, sorry, so I don't know where that's sort of taking place, but there. Nice little bit of paper there. Now this feels really nice. So let's get that out. So they've taken the effort to really go through and come out this way, yeah. Because this is the front of it. Oh, very nice. Okay, so it's not quite felt, but if we zoom right in, yeah, you can see fabric with a bit of gold print over it. Our 2024 Year of Growth book. So new and full moon journaling prompts, weekly affirmations, daily gratitude, weekly and monthly self-reflection, monthly overview, and a lunar calendar. You can pop your name in there. So, and about 2024, oh, yep. So you can start to make some goals by the look of that. I'll practice self-love by. So basically you got your week one, how to make the most out of it, your gratitude, daily journaling, some bits about self-love and ideas about self-love, the power of the moon. Oh, and flow with the phases. Nice, I like that. The northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, the moon phases are going to be like. B-day pages. Oh, okay. This is looking very, very nice. Summary of 2023. Goodbye 2023. What you're thankful for 2023, and starting to get into what to do with 2024. So what January is going to focus on for you. Days for week 0 are good, and they're dated. So you can see Thursday the 4th of January. A lot of those little ones make it pretty well. This is this year, whatever year it is or whatever. Where the moon's at. So this looks like it's going to be a great little thing. Oh, I didn't even notice that too. You've got your gold binding for the pages. And if we take a look at the back, so very good quality too, even the paper's very nice looking here. And so it goes right through to January of 2025. So we saw that bit. So this is where you can go to get it, dreamymoons.com.au or Instagram. And then you got your barcode. But this is what's in our little box here. So looking forward to getting in, having a deep dive and seeing what it actually all means and what it does. So now that the smaller details and the box and everything else is out of the way, the package that it comes in, really premium sort of stuff. As we jump in, onto your first page, you see that, copyright 2023, the year that it's made, by Annie Tarasova and Bella Crowder. And then as you get into the introductions as well, you can see that it's mainly by Annie, who runs Dreamy Moons, and then with little bits and pieces, astrology and everything else, put in by Bella. And the links there, I'll leave those links down for them and the diary below. But as we get on, it seems to be a really in-depth little book and diary that I'm looking forward to using. So starting on Christmas, December the 25th, and also including things like your birthday pages. So here you got your significant moments, people you've met, favourite songs, favourite books, places, movies, current projects, accomplishments, all here for you to write down, dream about, put in, and what you're doing. So reflect on how you've grown and a time capsule of who you are. And then you got a summary of 2023, whatever that will be like, and what you learned during 2023, and starting your goals for 2024. So I love that it looks like it's really made to cover all aspects. You've got your moon cycles in there as well. So if we go, what do you want to manifest for January? You've got a January overview, so you can put things in there to have a look at the diary part of it. What do you want to focus on? And we start. So yeah, week 0, 25th of December. And you've got little affirmations up the top here as well as you go through. So we've got a bit about what the start of the month is going to be, the new moon, how are you feeling during this period, and off we go. Then as we go further into it, we've got the full moon. Then what that means, full moon in Leo, and your intention and being about the moon cycles as well. So the new moon, obviously new beginnings and everything else as well. How are you feeling right now? Am I letting others' opinions? Like, are you too full of stuff at the moment as well? So it's that little attention to detail that you get throughout. It's really going to elevate this, for me anyway, above other journal, diary, books. Yeah, you randomly flick to another page and you've got more information, more insights, more things to get you thinking, get you journaling and get you really into that. So I'm really looking forward to giving this a really good go. Using it for its fullest purpose, leaving it open. It has prompts in there too about setting new strategies, new habits. So leaving it open somewhere where you can just see it, have it scrolled open so you can just go, oh yeah, it's Tuesday, yep. Got to do my thing, leave it open. So then for Wednesday, you're constantly sort of reminded of it. And you got nice 2 little tassels there too. So if you do want to read one little part of it and go back to that as well, if you're in a rush for whatever reason, you can. And 2, it's a pretty robust, good little book. I'm really looking forward to using this. My wife got this for me, as I said. Yeah, that's about all I can sort of say for it. If you do want to pick up your own copy, I believe this is made in Australia, and Australian prices and everything else as well. You're looking at $69.90 for this. And I mean, you pay a lot. It's a pretty high price, but it is pretty customized, like the cover, everything else as well. And this is supporting a smaller business, someone else's dream as well, while you go use this to create and manifest your dreams. So all up, I don't think it's too bad. Would I go back and get 2025's one? Who knows? Depending on the success that I have with this and the habits it builds and the personal growth that I achieve with it. We'll see. So stay tuned and see if we have 2025's version as well. Not that I think it'd be radically different, but it is a robust, beautiful little book. And yeah, I'm really, really pleased my wife did buy it for me. because I've never done much with the moon or astrology or anything like that before. So looking forward to giving this a damn good go and putting my all into manifesting and becoming more than what I certainly am at the moment. 2023 has been a bit of a rough year. So yeah, there's been a lot of change and a lot of not necessarily good change. And even at the moment, we have to move our clinic. A lot of stuff's happening. A lot of stuff's propelling me forward to grow. So yeah, look out for some video blogs and stuff as well about all of those changes. But anyway, guys, that's it for this one. Dreamy Moons, Year of Growth, 2024, or 69.90. And yeah, beautiful little package, beautifully sent, beautifully wrapped in what it came in. So yeah, the whole experience with it so far has been good, and I haven't even started writing it yet. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for me. I'm Rob Murphy. I'll see you in the next video.